Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the quickest way to pair your Xfinity remote so it controls your TV's power and volume. This works for almost any brand, from Samsung to Vizio, so let's get it synced up. Step 1. Open the setup menu. First, make sure your TV and Xfinity box are both turned on. Then you can press the Xfinity button on your remote to bring up the main menu. Next, use the arrow keys to highlight the gear icon or settings, and then press OK. Next, navigate down to Remote Settings and select Voice Remote Pairing. Step 2. Choose your device. The screen will ask if you want to control your TV or an audio system. Select TV and then find your TV brand from the list. If you don't see your brand immediately, don't worry. Just select Other or keep scrolling. Xfinity has codes for almost every manufacturer. Step 3. Test the codes. Now, Xfinity will start sending codes to your TV. It will ask, did the volume on your TV change? You can follow the on-screen prompt to press the volume buttons. If it works, select Yes. If it doesn't work, select No. Try the next code. It might take 2 or 3 tries to find the perfect match. Step 4. The manual backup. For all the remotes, if the menu doesn't work, you can do it manually. By holding the setup button or the A and D buttons together on some models, until the status lights turn from red to green. And then you can enter the code 991. The light will flash twice. And then press the channel up button. Press the channel up button repeatedly until the TV turns off. Once it shuts down, press setup to lock in the code. And you're done. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.